the blanks. Ravi come to see the flowers. 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 Ravi come to see the flowers. Leena, we will go to the park. P-A-R-K, park. Leena, we will go to the park. Ron has a pet dog. R-O-N. Ron has a pet dog. Leena has a pet cat. C-A-T, cat. Leena has a pet cat. Ron and Leena go to the zoo. R-O-N. Ron, Leena, L-E-N-A, Leena. Ron and Leena go to the zoo. Ron and Leena go to the zoo. Animals live in the zoo. Animals. A-N-I-M-A-L-S. Animals live in the zoo. The water in the sea is cold. C-O-L-D, cold. The water in the sea is cold. The big bus comes to the house. H-O-U-S-E, house. The big bus comes to the house. Father goes by car. Father. F-A-T-H-E-R. Father goes by car. Circle the correct answer. Leena's father is reading a book. Newspaper. Answer, newspaper. Brother, father, see my doll. Answer, father. Leena has a ball, bat in her hand. Answer, ball. Ram, drop, catch the ball. Answer, catch. Leena asked her mother, can we go to the park? Market. Answer, park. I hate, love my pet. Answer, love. Say whether right or wrong. At the park, you can play with the ball. Right. I have a pet crow. Wrong. Leena and Ravi see rivers in the zoo. Wrong. Animals are seen in cages at the zoo. Right. Today is a holiday for Leena and Ravi. Right. Leena goes to school by a blue bus. Wrong. Ravi goes on his cycle to school. Wrong. The school bus goes slow. Wrong.